Hey everyone, it's Gem and Jess, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this diamond painting that you see right here. From the company at the time of purchase was called Diamond Painting Factory UK, but I believe it is now called Mindfulness Diamond Painting UK. If you're new to the channel, then welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. So this painting right here is titled Lady Moth, and it is a licensed image by the artist Sarah Richter. This painting is a size 40 by 55 centimeter, and it is a full round drill with pour glue adhesive. The stickiness of the canvas was perfect. These symbols were all easy to see and clear. The canvas did fray on the sides a little bit. Can't really see it, but it was like barely. So it was just a minor little annoyance. I did customize this diamond painting, obviously. Normally I save my special drills for particular paintings. However, I really did not like the color palette of the drills that came with this diamond painting kit. Let me show you. I'm gonna grab the drills real quick. Okay, so the 310s fell. So this was the colors, if you can see them all, I hope. Yeah, I just didn't like the color palette. It's just a personal opinion. Nothing was wrong with the drills at all. I just didn't like the colors. So also the 310s or the black drills had some static, but it wasn't terrible. There was literally maybe 3 trash drills, not even joking, so that was awesome. The drills I replaced with the glass drills from DP with sparklers, which, let me grab those. Okay, so the glass drills you see up top right here and right here, the red and blue, I replaced with these 4 colors and this blue one, which are in order DMC 150, 919, 3328, 3721, and these 4 colors, the reds right here, I only replaced those with the red glass drills in the roses only. I'll show you in a second on the canvas. And then this one, DMC, which one is that? That is DMC 3750. This dark blue right here, I replaced with those blue glass drills that were in the moths only. And then I replaced the these 3 right here, these 3 colors on the bottom left, which are DMC 819 and DMC 931s and 813s, or 813 931s. Okay, I replaced those with these, the light pink Aurora Borealis drills and the light blue Aurora Borealis drills, or Aurora Borealis drills. Can't talk today, sorry. So let me show you what I mean by that. Obviously I didn't run out of any colors, so there was plenty left over for each color, so that was cool. Let me move this. Okay, so what I mean by that, the glass drills that I replaced those colors with that I just showed you, the DP with sparklers, are in the roses only and in the moths only. You see the dark blue ones and the red, and they're only through the roses and the moths. So, and same with the AB drills, I only replaced them in the roses, the light pink, and then the light blue in the moths. So those are the deets. I love how her highlights came out in the hair. I mean, this was like honestly above my expectations of this painting, or this diamond painting kit, in a really surprising way. So this is an example of never judge a canvas by or never judge a diamond painting by its canvas, I should say. So I was super like happy with the whole outcome. Like, everything was awesome. The quality of everything was just as great as a high reputable diamond painting company. So yeah, that's my review of Lady Moth by Sarah Richter from Mindfulness Diamond Painting UK. I hope I'm correct on that. I will, of course, link this canvas down below in the description box. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I hope you all have a great rest of the day or night, wherever you may be, and I will see you all next time. Bye!